This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Dear students, in the previous sessions of trigonometry, we learnt about different trigonometric functions. We learnt about sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Okay, and we also learnt about some basic trigonometric identities. In this session, we will talk about values of these functions, trigonometric functions, and also we'll talk about sign of these trigonometric functions. Okay, so I'll start here with consider an xy plane. As I told you earlier, that this xy plane is divided into four parts and each part is called what? Quadrant. Okay, this is our first quadrant here, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. And as we know, this is what? A right angle triangle. If I consider this as O, this as A, B, C, D, then angle AOB is actually pi by 2 or 90 degree. Okay, now if I take a ray OA and if I rotate this ray about this origin O in the anti-clockwise direction, and after one complete rotation it will coincide with its initial position, right? So this is the one rotation. This is one rotation, complete rotation. So if angle AOB is pi by 2, then this complete rotation will subtend how much angle? 2 pi. One complete turn will subtend an angle of how much? Pi by 2 into 4, and that comes 2 pi. Okay, so in one complete revolution, the ray will subtend how much angle? 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. So angle AOB, angle, let me select the pen here. Okay, angle AOB as pi by 2. What will be angle AOC? That will be pi. Okay. What is angle AOD? That is how much? It is 3 pi by 2. Okay. So, what we conclude here, all these angles are integral multiple of pi by 2. Okay. So, we say all angles which are integral multiple of pi by 2. All angles which are integral multiple of pi by 2 are called quadrantal angles. All angles which are integral multiple of pi by 2 are called quadrantal angles. Okay. Now, if I take a circle of radius 1 on this xy plane, consider this as O, radius is 1. So, if I consider this as A, it will be 1, 0 point coordinates. If I consider this as B, it will be 0, 1. If I consider this as C, then it will be minus 1, 0. If I consider as D, then it will be 0, minus 1. Now, if you recall the definition of sine theta, the definition of sine theta was y coordinate upon radius of the circle. Cos theta, the definition was x coordinate upon radius of the circle. Okay, tan theta y upon x, y coordinate upon x coordinate, where x comma y, it can be any point P on this circle. Okay. Now, since we have taken circle of radius r, in this case 1 unit, so sine theta will be equal to just y coordinate, cos theta just equal to x coordinate, tan theta will remain y by x. Okay. So, if you look at this angle, if I say angle AOA, then what is this? 0 radian. So, if I say sine 0, then it will be what? Sine 0. Since it is y coordinate, what is the y coordinate here? 0. So sine 0 will become 0. Cos 0. What is the value? X coordinate. So what is the x coordinate at A? It is 1. So cos 0 will be 1. Now tan 0. Tan 0. Tan 0, tan theta y by x. Y 0, x 1. So tan 0 will also be 0. So with the help of the circle of unit radius, we got sine 0, cos 0 and tan 0. Now look at this angle. It is angle AOB, which is nothing but pi by 2. So if I talk about sine pi by 2, it will be equal to y coordinate. What is y coordinate here? B. It is 1. Now cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2. Cos means x coordinate. X coordinate here is what? 0. And that is why cos pi by 2 will be 0. Now tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 is what? Y upon x. Y is 1. X is 0. 1 upon 0 is what? Not defined. Not defined. Okay. Now you can say with the help of this circle of unit radius, we got sine pi by 2, cos pi by 2, tan pi by 2. Okay. Now angle AOC. What is that angle? Pi. Okay. So what will be sine pi? What is y coordinate over there? Y. How much? 0. Sine pi is 0. Cos pi. Cos pi. What is the coordinate here? X coordinate. -1. So cos pi will be -1. Tan pi. Since it is y by x and y coordinate is 0, the value will become 0. So here we got sine pi, cos pi and tan pi. Now next, if I say this angle, we have talked about this angle, we have talked about this angle, we have talked about 0 angle. Now we will talk about this angle, means angle EOD. What is that? Angle EOD. And keep in mind, you have to move anti-clockwise for positive angle, and that is 3 pi by 2. So if I talk about sine 3 pi by 2, sine 3 pi by 2, what is the y coordinate at D? Y coordinate here is -1. So sine 3 pi by 2 becomes -1. Now cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2. That is equal to x coordinate. Here x coordinate is what? 0. Now tan 3 pi by 2. Tan 3 pi by 2 is what? Y coordinate upon x coordinate. Y coordinate is -1. X coordinate is 0. So any number divided with 0 is what? Not defined. So here we got Sine 3 pi by 2, we got cos 3 pi by 2, we got tan 3 pi by 2. Okay, now I'll take the complete turn. This. What is this angle? 2 pi. So, if you take this 2 pi, you again reach to point A. So, if I say sine 2 pi, it will be what? Y coordinate here, which is 0. If I say cos 2 pi, that is x coordinate here, and that is how much? 1. And if I say tan 2 pi, it will be y by x, so 0. So here, with the help of this unit radius circle, we got values of sine, cos and tan for so many angles. Okay, this video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. TestPrepAdda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.